Hi, we are at the Dr. Tiger laundromat. I do some laundry here. This is on the central Patong Road, Pangmong Saiko. Over there is Banjan Road and Sai Nam Yen Road. Some Shillong shopping center over there. And then over there is Sai Nam Yen Road, Tanai Road, Sawaridak, and then Patong Beach to the right. So that's the prices. The coin change.
Yeah, I was already.
And then I have this.
Yeah. Yes, already. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
About 120 baht.
Yeah.
We have 25, 20, and then 15. We're gonna use a 15 over there. All right, let's go check. Put in the laundry, and then we go to the other part. There's only one bag. About 15 kilograms, so that's a lot of full order, 70 baht. It's 70 baht. Automatic. So it looks like they got automatic soap. You didn't put any soap, so that's really good. Automatic soap softener. So we just have 30 minutes. We're coming back in about 30 minutes. So 28 minutes. We're gonna cross have some breakfast. We got all kind of food on the other side, so we're gonna check out the food. So along here is Banjan market over there, all kind of food, and then Soi San Sabai, Bangla Road to the right, and then they have all the other things. So we're gonna stop over there, get some food on the other side.